Many manufacturing professionals think that lean tools can be implemented in isolated manner. For example, they will try to implement TPM, or sometimes they will try to do SMED, and they try to implement these lean tools in an independent fashion, that is in an isolated manner. But in reality, these lean tools are interlinked with each other, and that's what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to learn about the connection or the correlation between SMED and Heijunka. So come, let's get started. Hi there, my name is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and in this video we are going to learn about how SMED is connected to Heijunka. So first of all, what is SMED? SMED or quick changeover focused on reducing the changeover time of the machines. When we reduce the changeover time of the machine's availability improves, and the machine can run more and it can produce more. And how is it connected to Heijunka? So what is Heijunka? Heijunka means load leveling. That is, if a company has multiple products, how smoothly I can manufacture these different products in such a way that I can serve all the customers. Heijunka adds more flexibility and reduces inventories. Heijunka focuses on manufacturing small batches of all these different products so that the customer's demand can be met. For example, if a company has three products, product A, B and C. If the product A is manufactured for 10 days and then the product B will be manufactured for another 10 days, and then let us say the product C is manufactured for 10 days. In this case, because I am running the machine continuously for 10 days, product A, the finished goods will be for 10 days of stock. Similarly, product B's finished good will be another 10 days of stock, and C will have to wait for 20 days to get A and B completed, then only I can process C. So in this way, we are building up a lot of finished goods stock. In this case, I cannot change the production plan and go to C immediately. So Heijunka means running small batches and meeting the customer's demand. And how this SMED and Heijunka are connected with each other? Only if the changeover time is less, people will be able to focus on this load leveling or Heijunka. If the changeover time is very high, people will not prefer to do changeovers. So infrequent changeovers means automatically the batch size will be very high. So people don't want to do a lot of changeover, and they will try to continue the same product for more number of days. So in our earlier example, if the changeover time for this particular machine is, let us say, 8 hours. So I will not frequently do the changeover. I will run the machine for 10 days, and then on one day I will do a changeover for 8 hours, and then again I produce product B, that is for another 10 days, and then again do a changeover and lose the production for 8 hours, that is the changeover time, and then I move to product C. So if the changeover time is 8 hours, I will not have the inclination to do the changeover. But what if the changeover time is reduced to 10 minutes? So every day I can do a changeover, right? So first day I will produce product A, then the second day I will do just a 10 minute changeover and go to product B, and then on third day I will go to product C. Because the changeover time is less, I will be able to go to the different products. I will be able to manufacture different products in an easier manner or a smoother manner. By this method, I will be able to reduce the finished goods stock also. Right? So this is how SMED and Heijunka are linked. So if you want to level the load, if you want to implement Heijunka, you definitely have to implement SMED. These two tools are interlinked with each other. So this is what I wanted to share in this particular video. If you like this particular video, subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video, and you can also share this particular video with your friends and contacts so that they can also learn and implement lean manufacturing in their organization. And if you want to learn more, you can also join our free lean course. The link I have given in the description. It's a 7-day course with certification. We have also reduced the fee for our paid programs called Lean Master Course and also Manufacturing Leadership Program. At just rupees 999, these programs can help you to perform better in your job, and also it will be a career booster. Right? And this particular program will be very useful for mechanical engineers and young professionals who are in the manufacturing sector. And I have given the links for these programs in the description also. You can check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. See you. Bye.